Hey everyone, this is Naren and welcome back to a new session of English with me. This is the 16th episode of our series From Zero to Hero. Okay, now imagine this. You are hungry and you want to tell someone that you are hungry. You just say this word, hungry. And the other person might ask you, who's hungry? Or what do you want to eat? See, without a complete sentence, you cannot continue a conversation, or the other person might not understand what your message is. You always need a complete sentence. Without a complete sentence, your message isn't clear. Today, we are going to learn how to make sentences in English, and this is very easy. You just need a subject, verb, and object to create sentences in English. Yes, 3 words and sentences are ready. Let me show you how it works. Now think of a sentence as a building. You need 3 blocks: subject, verb, and the object. These 3 comes together and build the sentence. Let's look at each one of them. Let's first start with the subject. The subject is who or what does the job. It can be a person or even a thing. You can say, for example, I, he, she, it, dog, any names, anything. Who does a job is the subject. The main character in a movie is the subject. Imagine it like that. So that is our first word, subject. Subject is someone who does the action. Now let's imagine this subject as I. The subject here is I. Okay, now let's look at the verb. Verb is the action word. Some examples of verb is draw, eat, cook, walk, drink, whatever we do. Any action is the verb. So let's take here the verb eat. So this is I, subject, and eat is the verb here. So far we have I eat. Now let's look at the object. Let's say the object here is apple. So it will be like I eat apple. I eat apple. Apple is the object here. So object is something on which the work is being done. Object is the person or thing which receives the action. So we have a sentence. See, I eat apples. It is very easy, right? To create a sentence, you just need subject, object, and verb. You can easily build such sentences. Look around yourself. From your surroundings, you can create an easy sentence. I'll give you an example. I see dash. Fill in the blank. What do you see? Just turn around or just look to your right or left and just say me, what do you see right now? I see dash. Fill in the blank. Now imagine a dog who wants to eat food, but he cannot say anything. The dog cannot talk. But imagine, what if the dog can talk? What will it say? It would say, I want food. I is the subject, want is the verb, it's an action, and food is the object. Now think about this. A boy kicks a football. Who is doing the action? The boy. What is the action? Kicks. Now what's receiving the action? The football. So how can you form a sentence? The boy kicks the football. Easy, right? Subject, boy, and the verb kicks. Football is the object. The boy kicks the football. Now it's your turn. I'll give you a subject, a verb, and an object. It's all mixed up. Your job is to frame a proper sentence. Drink I water. The right answer is I drink water. Football play she. The right answer is she plays football. They read book. The right answer is they read a book. How did you do it? Were you able to finish it before the timer? Okay, now let's look around the room and make sentences. I'll start. He cooks food. Your turn. What do you see? Say it out loud. Maybe something like, I see a phone or she watches TV. Type your sentence in the comments below. Let us see how many creative sentences you can make. See, making sentences isn't that hard in English. You just need to remember this: subject, verb, and object. Start small, keep practicing. You can definitely become confident English speakers if you try. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.